summer is over in a flash and you're on your way.
Hi guys, we're back here now at the Rust Bucket. So today's we've got plenty of things to be doing. We've got plenty of little videos to do as well. I'm going to be working with Sean while me and Sean are finishing sorting out the body underneath. Young Kian, wherever the fuck he's gone, he's getting bits to sort it out. He's going to reinstate the water tank back in the bus so we can have some water in the bus. Now this does mean that he's going to have to fabricate a few parts. So this junk steel plate metal that we've got, drill a hole in it, bend it up, and that'll make a bracket for it. I'm sure he will show you as we go on. So I'm going to see how many swear words we can come up with to get this back in there. It will be fun. As Kian is not very one for the camera, we shall say, this is him attempting with varying degrees of intelligence to put the water tank back in. Due to a accident we think it's had at the back, it is a bit more difficult than it would be normally, as the frame pillar the back door is attached to is bent in slightly. It'll go on afterwards. You can put it down to the old power panel.
I'm ready.
Then we'll get a GoPro in a second. I'm just going to laugh at him first, trying to get this in here. Then he's got to get it back out once he's got his measurements. No, because you know where it sits. If it sits against the back wall, which it is, that's where it sits.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because that's where the old straps used to go. So you just need a bit of steel. So it'll sit a bit higher because of the steel. And then just... What we're now about to see is Kian roughly measuring up what needs to be cut off or bent for it to be able to hold on to the water tank.
Summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. But some part of me is hoping for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time. But my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Colors, love is for the ones who dares to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay. Night says yes, you've been here for quite some time. But my heart tells me you should stay a little while.
Now he's done that, he's going to remove the water tank again so we can straighten out the bar, rust protect it with the paint, and then he'll be able to also put the sensors back in it, as he's left everything floating at the moment. Though as you see, getting it out is as much fun as getting it in.
Oh, yeah. We are dreams, we are candles, we are light, we are believers, we are safe with each other, with each other. But are we at the end? Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we do is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home. 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 I would give up all my money. I would trade all of my gold to spend a little time with you, honey, just to know that we'll grow old. If I could only see the future, or if I could travel in time, if I could see how this will end, if I could know that you'll be mine. Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? If I could only find a way, if I could get some kind of tell. Oh, if I could see beneath the waves, if I could have a wishing well. If I just could feel a little less of this uncertainty. I am longing for a kiss that lets me know that you're with me. Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. Tell me, is it real love? Tell me, do you feel the same? Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game? Tell me what you feel like. standing outside, waiting for you.
He's done that. He's going to paint it. He didn't film painting it, and then all the background noise is me cutting the brackets. This goes over 2 days. We do put the water tank in temporarily, and then on the second day he cuts the other bracket out. This will be the first time he's actually used an angle grinder properly, or even a powered cutter. So do bear with him. He is learning, and it's all one big process of learning, isn't it? So watch him cut his first bits of metal. They're not brilliant, they're not perfect, but I've got to learn somewhere, haven't we? Come off now. You want it a bit further out than that, otherwise you're going to end up cutting his vice. About there? Probably, yeah. Right, start it spinning before you put it on. Don't have to be perfect, just line it up eyesight. You can always cut more. Start it spinning before you put it on. Might need to go across with that one a bit. Yeah, you will. Because if you have a look here, yeah, that's where that one ends. So you just need to put your blade in horizontally. So you might need to move this out a bit further. Really should have remembered the tripod. Is that alright? Yeah. Where else is it attached? Oh well. Right. So I'll get cutting then. Move further along, push it further into the vice. Stops it flexing. Use your brain, man! Yeah. It doesn't matter which way, as long as it's 90 degrees at the end. Right. Yeah. And then hit the edge. Okay. Yeah, just hit that edge with the hammer. I'll just snap the drill piece off. It'll start to bite when you go through it. That's right. Yeah.
Got so tired of waiting.
That would be the fun one.
Where is it?
So he's done one, he'll just do the other, because there's no point filming him because you can't see it. Because he can't see what he's doing either, so it'll be good fun. Some minor tweaks were needed. Go on. You got caught on the guard, that's why. Just use the edge of that blade just to tidy it up because the other one's gone, yeah. So he's all done that one. One in there, one behind that post there, which was a bit awkward, as you'll see. So that's that one done. And there's water already in the system.